What's up guys, this is Wajahat from InnoRative. Today I'll show you a few tips to resolve the iPhone charging issue. There are mainly three things that are responsible for charging your phone: charging port of your phone, data cable or charging cable, and USB adapter. So if any of these parts have issue, it won't charge your phone. So in this video we will test all the parts using different ways. First step: check thoroughly your charging cable and USB adapter for any signs of damage like breakage or bent. Second step: plug your charger in a wall socket and connect charging cable with your phone. Try both sides of the cable to see if it works. Third step: checking if your USB adapter is faulty or not. Plugging charging cable with your laptop instead of USB adapter and see if that works. If it starts charging, it means your USB adapter has the issue, so replace it. And if it's not charging your phone, it means there are high chances that your charging cable is at fault, so replace that. Fourth step: clean your charging cable connector with alcohol, spirit or bleach by putting it on the piece of cloth and rub the connector to clean it and dry it properly, and then test if that works. Fifth step: remove any debris from the charging port on the bottom of your device, restart your device, and then firmly plug your charging cable into your device and then see if that works. That's it. I hope these tips will help you out to resolve the issue or find out what's the actual problem that is causing this issue. If you like this video, leave a like and don't forget to subscribe to InnoRative.